Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's going on, family? Tonio the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope you're doing great, having fun, enjoying life, staying safe, and all that good stuff. Well, today I'm coming to you to kind of reintroduce myself to some of the new subscribers out there that doesn't know Tonio the Quiet Storm. But I also do encourage you to take a look at my documentary video as well, because there's a lot of information about me on that video. So I'm kind of going to be a little bit brief with this video as far as the reintroduction, but you will learn a couple things, that I did not say in my documentary. But do encourage you to go to that video, watch it, like it, comment, let me know what you think about it, and show me a little bit of love, man. But I'm not gonna hold you any longer, so let's get to it. So Tonio the Quiet Storm, pretty much young kid, born and raised in Raleigh, North Carolina. One of 3 children. I'm actually the middle child. So yeah, I got the older brother and I got a younger brother. No girls. Went to elementary, middle, high school. Pretty much playing basketball. Just playing around. I always had the aspiration of playing basketball in school, but that didn't happen. But hey, I just kept it moving. I just played on my own time. Played Parks and Rec basketball, and went from there. As far as high school, played football in high school. I actually tried out for the basketball team in high school, but didn't make the team. I was one of the last ones to get cut. For the reasoning, I don't know. I guess the coaches had their favorites, and some of the guys were kind of shocked because I was a good player. I was a good ball player, but hey, it is what it is. So I just stuck with football. So from football, from high school, graduated high school, went on to to the best universities out there, North Carolina A&T State University, Aggie Pride, as you see it right here. Got it all right here. And you know what? Hey, gotta show it off, man. Got to show it off. Well, shout out to all my Aggies out there. Went to North Carolina A&T State University for 4 years. Graduated from there. I wanted to play basketball there, but pretty much a lot of the coaches already have their team picked, even though you could have tried out. But I'm just like, I'm gonna just focus on my work, and that's what I did. So pretty much went to college. And just focused on my work, man. After college, start, being an adult, and got a job, and start paying bills and whatnot. Later on, I started, I felt like I wanted to do something. I wanted to make a difference in, these young men's lives out here. So I started coaching basketball. I started coaching 13 and 14-year-olds, and then also moved up to 15, 17-year-olds. As my younger brother got older, I actually coached him in basketball, and a lot of people thought he was my son, but no, he was my brother. But I coached him. I coached basketball, at least 10 years. I also had coached 2 or 3 years in AAU ball. Started out with the 12 and 13s, and coached AAU for 2 summers. And after that, man, it was just pretty much hey, I went back to school. So I couldn't really coach anymore because I was going back to school, so I had to stop coaching, which that's something that I truly miss. But I do keep up with some of the guys that I have coached. So, and I just keep up with them. I'm glad they were able to go get the education. A lot of them went to college and graduated, and I'm proud of them. Definitely proud of them, and I'm happy that I actually made an impact on their lives, and continue to do so, even when just keeping up with them, just checking on them. So some of my idols growing up was pretty much actually two guys that I follow behind. Was my dad was one of them, and my grandfather was another one. Because I respected them because they pretty much showed me what hard work was and how to take care of family. Doing hard work, and yeah. And my dad's still here. Still watch him, and my grandfather's not here, but shout out in heaven to him as he had a birthday yesterday. He would have been 96. So shout out to you, Granddaddy. I love you. I miss you, and see you on the other side. So what got me in the car, being a car enthusiast, pretty much growing up, my dad had old, I grew up a Chevy young boy, because my dad had Chevy trucks, Silverados, and then my uncle also, his brother had a lot of old Camaros, 69, 70s. So he had a lot of Camaros when I was coming up, and he decked them out, put the 454 or whatever type of engine in it, and it made it sound pretty good. And that's what kind of got me into the muscle cars. My uncle had these Camaros and Monte Carlos and whatnot, but also I like the old school cars as well. Also do some collecting myself, and as this pretty much right here is if you see that's a 1970 Dodge Charger right there, with the big wheels on it. So yep, that's a RT Charger right there, 1970. And as you can see from behind, it says "Game Over" on the license tag. That's one of them. I also got this 87 Grand National right here. So pretty much, I basically collect these. Also got the SS Impala right here. And last but not least, I love this. This is probably one of my favorites because, well, it looks just like the car that I had. I had a 2010 Dodge Charger. This is actually a 2006 RT. So, and it was mine was this color and everything. It had the 24s and everything on. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorites right here. But anyway, yeah, pretty much that's what kind of got me into the cars. As far as the Dodges and stuff, got me into the muscle cars. The reason that I chose to go with the Mopar is because the way they look. They are muscle cars as well, but I just love the way that they looked and the way that they sounded. So I'm actually on my fourth charger, but this is my first V8. I've had 3 V6s. I had a 2010, I had a 2011, I had a 2014. And y'all probably saying, you know, what happened to them? Well, my 2010, coming home from work one day, and it was raining. Just got off the interstate on the exit, and the exit was pretty much at a standstill, and somebody plowed me in the back and totaled my charger. So that's what happened to the first one. So then I got this 2011 and kind of hooked it up just a little bit. Well, I actually just took the rims off the 2010, put it on the 2011, which were 24s, and then I traded. You know, I wanted a little bit something a little different. So pretty much I got the 2014, which had a little bit more features on it, and yeah, and rocked with that for a little while, and up until last year, and I got the 2020 Scat Pack now. So that's what pretty much, you know, that's where I'm at now. You know, Mopar or no car, well, I'm still a Chevy man too, so I still love the Chevy as well. But yeah, that's pretty much Tonio the Quiet Storm. So kind of gave you a run through of my life kind of quickly, but like I said, go check out the documentary, which has more information about myself and my life. So please go check that out, and let me know what you think. All right, but appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate you tuning in to this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Browse the videos that I got up there and already. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know that you're watching, and hit that like button as well. So yeah, until the next time, God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible as long as you have faith in Him, trust Him, believe in Him, believe in yourself, trust yourself, have faith in yourself, because you can do anything that you put your mind to. So on that note, holla at y'all later.
Okay!